Okay, we're coming up on our buoy, and this is buoy number 60. Into the boat it goes. We're picking up the slack. Don't look at Pete's butt here. Ooh, ooh. There he goes. Okay, that's good.
Better.
He's pulling the slack, and as soon as the slack's gone, he's gonna yank.
We're really kind of underneath it.
Oh, yeah.
Yank like crazy.
Maybe I should go back.
Yeah.
Seagull's waiting for us to throw him one. We're not going to. Okay, Pete's getting the slack. Getting the slack.
As soon as the boat turns more towards shore.
And then he's gonna start yanking like hell. We already got two. See him down there?
Okay,
One
so
of
go
them's
forward
upside
now.
down. I feel sorry for him.
Yeah.
These are both males. Oh, look how pretty his shell is. How sad. It's gonna be dinner. Here we go.
Pull, 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 pull. Fast as you can and even faster. Fast as you can and even faster. Fast as you can and even faster. Oh yeah, one. That's a nice
But
one.
he's a giant one.
Lisa Tiller?
He's trying to get out.
Oh my gosh. Excellent, Pete.
Hope he's male.
Is it male?
Let's hope.
Now they're gonna
I got the
measure
net.
him. Oop, Pete's picking him up. Pretty crazy.
Male!
Oh man.
He's
There he
big.
is.
That is a big kahuna.
So nobody else would go in there with him.
No, he's too big honking. Verify.
Last time we had 6.
Now we're verifying with the thing.
Caliper.
Spinning. He's
spinning.
falling.
The camera.
Oh my God!
It's just water, Patty. He's just breathing.
Yes.
It's like
Oh, what? Oh.
He's just huge.
big. Oh my God, he's like over 6. Massive.
It's definitely male, right? Yes.
Yeah, definitely male.
Oh, God.
Hey, we're 3/4 of the way
The
through
hand is
there.
over the mouth.
Can you move? He's gonna climb out. Okay, thank you.
Good.
All right, good. All right. There's
And
the fish.
we caught a rock.
Oh,
All right.
excellent. Are we going to throw this at the same spot?
Oh yeah.
Similar spot? Oh, we were going to space it out.
Oh, so
We're gonna space it out.
we can put this one back, put that one further in between the two.
Oh, okay.
That's okay.
Here's
Right?
the tiller
Yeah.
person.
Let me back up.
Here's
a
the
little
backup tiller.
And let's get out a little bit deeper.
And the otters are supposed to be over
bit. We're a
here.
little too
Close to the top?
shallow. Too shallow.
And here's Pete.
There's a buoy there.
He's getting
What is
wet.
it called? The dangerous, the deadliest catch. Deadliest catch.
This is our deadliest catch down here. They're not
They're
fighting,
not fighting.
which is good. We didn't want any fighting, but that one was blowing bubbles. I don't know what that's all about.
Okay, Pete, there. Go give her a drop.
Okay, I'm just gonna do what I did before.
Yep.
Let her go.
Pete's not throwing, which he's just dropping. Which is not what the rule book says, but
Out of the boat.
okay. We're gonna turn it off for a little while.
Okay.